You cannot have my man. What? Did you hear me? You cannot have my man.
Tina, you do know my name. And excuse you, do you even have a man? No. What do you have what it takes? Are you smart enough to have a man?
Oh, you are smart enough.
Of course
smart
I am.
TV.
Of
You
course
used
I
one.
am.
You were used one. You are senseless.
And that's why you feel pain.
Stay clear, my man.
What
Mirabel.
man? What man? If you feel you're possessed, then just talk to him next time. No, just even smile at him.
Just shut up,
You are
please.
sick.
Both of you are siblings.
Who?
Both of you are siblings.
Did you just speak? Can you hear yourself speak? Are you sick? Are you mad? Who is your sibling?
Agnes.
Who is your sibling?
Sit your ass
Be
down
very careful.
And do not talk on what does not concern you. Do you understand me?
Please, just calm down.
Shut up! Shut up! You. Stay clear from Lucas.
Get that thing off my face.
I am talking to you.
Get that thing off my
Stay
face.
clear, Lucas.
Stay clear of him.
I'm not joking with
Stay
you.
off him.
I'm not joking
and
with you.
And if you think you're so powerful, repeat all the nonsense you've been saying.
Mirabel.
Yes, repeat.
Stay clear, Lucas. I'm not joking with you.
No, you stay clear.
I'm not joking with you.
You stay clear.
Get out.
You stay clear.
Be careful.
No, you be careful.
Be very careful.
You be careful.
I will crush you.
What is going on here? What is it?
I will crush you.
What is it?
I will crush you.
What is going to talk to me? What is happening here?
What is this? Leave me alone.
What's wrong with
My
my
God,
Come and fight me.
Come
and fight me.
Where's a snatcher from the pit of hell? Stay clear, my man.
Shut up your mouth and tell me what's going on here. You can't even get a man.
Do you have a man?
Oh,
who is bloody snatcher?
Oh, please.
Who is bloody snatcher? Who is bloody snatcher?
Look at the towels
You're a
that
fool.
wants a man.
What is wrong with you? Come get your man and stop using. Be careful with me. I am not joking with you. I am talking to you and your mother. Mom, talk to her. Talk to her. Stop holding me. Get out.
You think you're the only one that can
clear, my man.
You think you're the only one that can shout?
Stay clear, my man.
What has done to me?
I'm talking to you. Stay clear, my man.
Mom, you know what? You and Dad wasted money. Trust me. Because you just sent that thief, to the university to talk about men.
You are
talking about men.
Mirabel,
Yes.
Mr. Osita said I should inform you that there will be a family meeting at the councillor's house and you are expected to be there.
Is it now?
No, later in the evening.
Do you, by any chance, know why this meeting has been called?
No, I don't.
I'll try.
You don't have to try, you have to be there.
Task force. I said I will try. Which one is you have to be there? I will try.
No, you don't need to try. You.
Will you drag me there?
I will drag you there.
Oh yeah, come and drag me, let me see.
I will drag you.
What's that? My friend, take your wine.
We even have to start going now, sir, if possible.
Good afternoon, everybody. I sincerely greet you all. We convey this meeting on behalf of Mrs. Ezinne Jacob. In trying to resolve the slight face-off between her two lovely daughters, Tina and Mirabel, which I strongly believe has dragged for too long a time. Counselor, please. I would like to begin.
Go ahead, please.
Thank you very much. Tina, right?
Yes, please.
Good. Can you please tell this noble gathering here what actually happened that led to us all here?
Of course, sir. I have known Lucas since university days. We were classmates and more than just friends. And that is over 12 years now. And then we decided to take it to the next level. We were so in love.
Aggie.
Hello?
Agnes, what's up? How have you been?
I do. I do as you take forget me. Oh.
How is everything over there?
Which matter? You just leave your cousin sister like this. E not good nah.
How's mommy and that my troublesome sister, Mirabel? How is she? I'm sorry. I had some pressing issues here. And then I'll try and come before this year runs out. Baby, I'm on the phone. I think I have to call you back, like in a minute. Baby, come on. You know, baby, no. You, yes. Baby, you.
Come to Papa.
Tina. How much be your money? What's this? 700. Only 700. I take now, me you give me change. Wow.
Sorry, my love. Tell me where it hurts you. Where? Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm cold.
Sorry, my love. Sorry. I got you some drugs from the pharmacy. You take them, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Baby, don't even act like one child now. Okay, you want injections, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're smiling. Please sit up. Let me give you your drugs. Sit up. Sorry. Sit up. Sorry. Baby, you are shivering though. Eh? You are shivering. Wait, just don't worry. Lie back, lie back. You're wait, let me... What's that? Lucas. I have a... Lucas. Wait. Lucas. Lucas! Wait. Lucas. Lucas. Wait.
Sorry, I don't mean to scare you.
No, it's fine. I'm just tensed. This is me.
Where is he?
He's in the ward, receiving treatment.
I thought something has happened.
No, I just feel it's the usual, same kind of thing. I don't know.
Have you talked to the doctor?
No, I have not.
Please, are you the one with Lucas?
Yes. Is it a problem?
Not really, but he needs blood transfusion. So I don't know if you...
Yes. It's no problem. I used to do this blood normally. We are compatible. Our blood is compatible.
Oh, okay. So if that's the case, you need to follow me. Right?
Okay. Let's go.
I'm coming.
I should go to...
No, there's no need.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's fine.
So I remember you.
Yes, doctor. I was here 2 weeks ago.
Oh, I remember you now. Is he here right now?
Yes, ma'am. He's in ward 14.
Nurse Esther, please come to my office. Come in. What's his name?
Lucas Lawrence.
Yes, please. Get me the profile of the patients in Ward 14 by name Lucas Lawrence.
Okay, can be fast about it.
What happened?
He fell seriously ill, and I rushed to the pharmacy to get him the drugs that the last doctor who treated him prescribed. I got back home to give him the drugs. I was about giving him the drugs when he slumped.
Has he slumped before?
Yes, several times.
Okay. Mr. Lucas is highly anemic.
Yes, I'm aware. I know. Doctor, what? Can it be cured?
Yes, it can. That's if he follows the necessary procedure required.
Is it that bad?
Not really, but it can grow if it stays long. Anemia is a condition in which the body does not have enough healthy blood cell. and blood cell provides oxygen to the body. Just like air is essential to the human body.
Doctor, how can it be reduced?
He has to undergo blood transfusion every now and then, and that's where you come in, because you have to watch the type of food he eats. His blood group is rare. How do you cope with the blood transfusions?
We have matching blood groups.
Oh, that's good. We'll try our best to make sure he's in good shape while in the hospital. Okay?
Thank you so much, doctor.
So you can be going. If there's any other improvements, I'll let you know.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hey, big sis. How are you? So you cannot even call somebody again, Abby? Oh, really? For those of us who do not have business going on for us, thank you for reminding me, dearest sister. You know, nothing, sorry. As I was saying, it's, well, your beloved mom just walked in, seated and looking directly at me, and, you know, with all the gestures in the world, I should give her my phone. You know, I just talk to her for someone who will kill me with her eyes. Hold on. Mom, let me have the phone.
No. Hello, my darling Adobe. How are you doing and how is work? Oh, my darling, we thank God. Daddy has been doing okay, and you know, God has been preserving him for us. He just stepped out. But Tina, when are you coming back home? No, I don't want to hear that. Except if you tell me that you have gotten a man that is taking care of you over there. If not, I want you to come back home, please. Now, oh, you don't have a man? Then come back home. I'm not even sure of what you're saying. Are you sure you don't have a man? Okay, that's my girl. Please try to make our time to come back home. Your mom is missing you. What do you think? Don't mind your sister. Bedbug. Yes, take care of you, darling. Bye.
No, don't tell her. I want to talk to her.
What?
Mom, that's my phone. I
Have your
still have
phone.
something to tell her. I was supposed to talk to her.
Do not disturb my daughter.
Oh, I now disturb her.
Yes.
My own sister.
What are you doing?
Mom, you disturbed me in this house and no one has stopped you from talking to me. Come on, Mom.
You are my daughter. I am your mother. The last time I checked.
Oh, God. Please deliver me from my mom.
Sorry, okay?
Please do take care of him. I'll be going back to the office now. Lucas, I'll see you later.
Take care.
All right.
Baby. How are you now?
I'm okay.
Sorry, you'll be fine, okay? My love, I want to tell you something.
Okay, what is it?
Promise me that you'll not be angry.
Just talk to me, okay? I promise I won't.
I want to go and see my parents this weekend.
It's not a big deal.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine. You can go.
You'll be fine here alone?
If there's any emergency, I'll just call us then. Okay?
Okay. Thank you, baby. For now, just rest. Please, okay? Should I get you water? Are you okay?
I just need a glass of water.
Okay.
Oh my boy, look at who we have here, baby girl. Mommy, look at her name. You're welcome. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Sit down, sit down. Mommy, where's everybody?
Your daddy's out against my wish.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God, I have missed you.
I missed you more.
I missed you more. What did you get for me?
Everything.
Poppy brought a lot of goodies.
Of course, I brought everything you want.
So, oh my God. Yes.
And what's that?
I was just doing my duties as the...
Take the box inside and keep
Mom,
the
I'm
bag
just
here.
going to do my duties here.
Can I have the bag, please?
Well, I just wanted to help you. Just keep this in your room.
Thank you.
Sister, keep the bag. Take the bag.
Thank you, mommy. Thank you. You saved me. Everything you're so lazy.
Lazy?
Yes.
This feels like you have a human inside.
All right.
Oh, God. Well, let me just take it upstairs.
Are you? Oh my goodness. Oh, please.
Oh, my God.
Say something else. I swear, mommy.
But I can still open this one, though, and take what you brought for me. Yeah.
Don't open anything yet.
Well,
She's upstairs.
it has a password. You can open it.
Okay?
I know all your passwords.
Oh.
Yeah. Think again.
Oh.
I'm the smart one. Remember?
Talking about your daddy before she distracted us. Your daddy went out against my wish, but don't worry, she will soon be here.
You see, life is not an easy road to those who think they know. But you just have to do your best and leave the rest to God. Are you still in the writing business?
Yes, Dad.
That's interesting. So, is it still profitable?
Very, very. It depends on who you work for and how good you are.
A lot has changed in this little talking world. The reason I sent you and your sister to school to get the best of the education that is readily available, so you can be the best. My time is almost over.
Daddy, please, I don't like it when you sound like that. Be very positive, please. Please.
On the affirmative, I am. I just want the best for you and your sister.
Daddy, I understand. Mirabelle, what's she doing now?
Mirabelle. Mirabelle has been scrambling and scampering to take after you. But you see that girl? She's just a woman of her own, and that is what I want her to be. A woman of her own. But she is taking another step. I just wish that now you are here, you will talk some sense into her brain.
They will.
So what about the free...
Daddy, let me get you water. Daddy, let me get you water.
I will be fine.
Daddy, are you sure you're fine?
I am.
You need water?
No, it's a little bit crisis, but
okay, sorry.
I'll be fine.
Sorry.
All right.
Hey.
I didn't even see you there, sis.
Obviously, how would you see me when you're always on your phone 247 with your head bent over? So, of course.
No, I was just posting on my vlog. Sent.
You have a blog?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really? And then, you never told me. For how long now?
Well, the thing is, it wasn't easy starting one. You know, I had to go learn a thing or two from somebody, you know, to just know or get a hang of the business. Then I had to pay for a site where I could generate traffic from. And now I'm just trying to settle in, you know. I still need a bit of consistency, though. It's not easy.
I see. Anyways, Dad was talking about you yesterday.
Dad, please. Dad is old school. He won't understand.
Yeah, true. You're correct on that.
The thing is, I'm just bidding my time here. Very soon I'll have to leave. Mm-hmm.
I understand. I understand that feeling of you wanting to leave the comfort of your parents, you know, and wanting to go explore. But sweetheart, it is not the way you think it is. Things are hard. It's not the way you think or you feel it's going to be out there. That's the truth.
I'm not going to be here forever. Eventually, I'll definitely leave. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just coming back from Agnes's house.
Okay.
Right, and then she told me something.
What exactly?
What
What are you talking about?
Like you don't know?
No.
Okay, fine. She told me that you had a fling or a thing with one guy.
What? Agnes. Oh, cousin. She can't just keep her mouth shut for a second.
Start talking.
No, there's nothing to say because, come on, I didn't have a fling with nobody. No, I can't even see myself having something with anyone from these parts, you know. No, not me.
And why is that?
Because I feel they don't have anything to offer.
Mirabel, do not say that in their presence.
I don't care.
Okay. I'm tired. I just came to see how you're doing, check up on you, and say good night.
Thank you, sis. Good night. I just have to respond to comments on my blog and
All right.
I'll sleep.
Blogger, well done.
Thank you.
And make sure to go to bed on time.
Just hope your news doesn't just happen to drop on.
I do not care. I love
sure
the
you don't
news.
care?
I don't care.
You sure you don't care?
I don't care.
Okay.
But do not try it anyway.
Juicy gist coming up. Good night, sis. What's this? What kind of comment is this one? Are you crazy? Please. Oh, shh.
Yes, come in.
Hey bro, what's up?
I'm fine.
How you doing? Yeah, bro, there's something I want us to talk about.
Yeah. Is there any problem?
No, not really.
Okay.
You know that's our uncle's son, Richard, the one that based in UK.
Yes.
He called today, and he was asking how we're doing.
And?
Well, at first I told him we were okay, until he started asking some other questions.
Austin, just go straight to the point.
Okay. He was asking how we're doing here, and I told him that...
Austin, can you just speak?
He asked that we should come and stay with him.
In the UK?
Yes.
Please tell him that we are okay.
No, Austin, just hold on. I told him the many jobs we do here to survive. And he said he's willing to offer us an accommodation if only we are willing to come over.
Austin, I'm not yet ready to leave now. I can't just leave.
No, bro. You have to. Come on. This writing job you're doing here cannot do us good in the future. You really need to reconsider this offer. What are you talking about? See, bro. I know how you say things here. Okay? But we really need to. Just think about it, please. I think I have to leave.
Hey, babe. You. So you are missing me already, really?
I actually do miss you. A whole lot. Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm in bed already. How is mom and dad? That's fine. There's something I want to talk to you about. So, my uncle told my brother and I to come over to the UK to stay with him.
How? When? No. No. No! Baby, just hold on. Wait. Listen. I'll be coming to Abuja next tomorrow. And then when I come, we'll discuss about it. Do you understand me? Just calm down. Okay? I love you too. How? Mom. Oh, Adani. Yes, where's Dad?
He stepped out the hospital. We'll come back tomorrow morning.
Oh no.
What happened?
I want to tell him that I'm going to Abuja.
What? You just got here. You're barely a week.
Yeah, I know, right? But something urgent just came up.
So there's something cannot wait. Oh, what is this? You just got here.
So when are you leaving?
This evening.
That's soon. This evening? You are not going anywhere this evening. No, don't even tell me that. You are going to leave tomorrow morning.
Mommy, please. I need to go this evening so I can meet up with my plans for tomorrow morning.
I guess nothing I will say will make you stay, right?
Mommy, I promise to come back soon, very soon.
Jesus Christ, son.
Can you stop?
Yeah, you always say you come soon and you never do, so.
Anyways, if you say so, what can I do?
Thank you, Mommy.
Now I'll miss you.
Miss you more.
Mirabelle, please go help your sister pack her stuff.
What did you say?
I said, go and help your sister pack her stuff.
Mom, I'm vlogging.
Go help your sister pack her stuff.
Mom, why must I be the one to always help? Please.
This girl is so late.
I'm updating my blog.
Mommy, please, when Daddy gets back, tell him that I left already. But I promise to call him once I get to my destination.
That's all right, he'll hear.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I'll miss you more. Okay,
Go
fine.
help her pack. You miss her.
If you don't miss me, help me pack my things. Please. No, I'm not black. Oh, let's go. Okay, that's a tip for that. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'll kiss you. Mwah. Okay, Mommy, you see. It's a kiss. Okay, thank you.
Your wish is my command.
Immediately. Bye. Mommy, see you later. See you.
Oh, but this always have to do all your chores.
Yes, that's for my sister.
So, is it correct to give your sister?
No, a crime is a gift. My sister.
Hey!
Yes, you have it.
Tina.
Lucas, you are not leaving me, and that's on period.
Baby.
No. Don't even baby me. There is nothing that you will say now that will make me allow you leave me and go to the UK. It will work. It will never work.
Baby, just calm down or listen to me. I'm only going there to just go and visit my uncle. And, just go and come back. Look, we just want to go visit and get something rolling for myself, for us. Please. Look, literally, you're always with me. I just want to go there and get something rolling for us. Please.
Lucas, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're not going anywhere. I want you to be with me forever. Don't you understand?
I'm with you forever. I have your blood running through my veins already. You're with me and I'm with you. Look, I just want to go there and get things rolling for us. And I promise I'll be back.
You promise?
I promise. It's okay.
Lucas, please don't leave me. My life will be empty without you.
Baby. You are still on the road? You've not gotten to the airport. I love you too. He's supposed to have arrived by now. Happy? Oh, okay, maybe he has not arrived. Huh. God, please.
Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling? I'll say I will wait for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. You belong to me, and I belong to you. We belong to each other, and there's no two ways about it. You belong to me, and I belong to you. We belong to each other, and there's no two ways about it. Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling? I'll say I will wait for you.
After trying Lucas number for several months, I decided to go back to my parents' house to get a little comfort. After a while, I left and went back to Abuja, to a different location entirely. And then I was called that my younger sister, Mirabel, was getting engaged. I was so happy. getting home to the greatest shock and surprise of my life. The groom-to-be happened to be Lucas. My man by right.
What right? Is it an inheritance? No, you should have tattooed him on your forehead. Sit there and be saying spin. Stop! What's this?
Respect yourself.
Allow that witch to continue spewing rubbish there. You're not ashamed of yourself. I met Lucas.
You are saying rubbish.
You're the one saying rubbish.
You are speaking gibberish.
You are
rubbish.
stupid.
You are speaking nonsense.
You are stupid.
You are crazy in the head.
Enough of all this.
Enough, please. Can't you two show some sense of decency? And some discipline, please. Are you kids?
Thank you very much, Counselor. We've all heard from the eldest of the daughters, Tina. Back to you, Mr. Lucas, please. Can you tell this noble gathering what happened?
I never intended to leave Tina for so long. I only wanted to travel so I could gain a little favor from my uncle who lived abroad and come back to be with her. But some things changed.
Brother.
Welcome. You guys are welcome. Okay, I'm excited that you guys are here, so I will go straight to the point. This is where both of you are going to be staying.
What? Am I dreaming?
No, this is for real.
You mean this is where my brother and I will be staying for now? Just two of us. Bro, you see this?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank God. It's
Thank you
nothing.
very much.
It's nothing. You know, compared to what your parents did for me, making me the man I am today, it's the least I can do.
You still can't thank you, you know.
Yes. Yes.
It's fine. I just want you guys to know that all this didn't come cheap. So focus on why you're here. Okay? I will introduce you to the business here, and then you guys can start working. But for now, get acquainted with the house, bathe, rest, eat, and if you need anything at all, just let me know.
That's okay.
What kind of business?
Okay, basically, shipping and real estate. We involve ourselves with importation and export of building materials.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
Okay. We promise you we won't let you down.
I know you won't. But I hope none of you have any plans of going home anytime soon.
Actually,
Sorry. I told him about your anemia through the phone before coming.
Oh, yes, that's true. I almost forgot. Okay, I have a doctor friend. Okay? So I'll take you to go see him so you don't need to worry, you'll be fine. Okay?
yes. So, you know what? Let me show you guys around. Come on. Austin.
Yeah, bro.
Please, can you help me try Tina's number?
It won't go even if I try.
Just try it now. I've been trying it. It's not going through here.
So you don't believe me, right? Okay, fine. You see? Not going.
How did I then contact her and let her know that we're going here safe?
Guy, calm down. How? You bother too much.
Why would you say I bother too much? I mean, this is my fiancé we're talking about, though. This is someone that's been with me through thick and thin. And you're telling me I bother too much. Why shouldn't I bother?
Guy, all I'm saying is that we've got a fresh start here in the UK. We don't even know what we're going to face in the future. But though I know that it's going to be better than what we face in Nigeria, you have to calm down.
So are you saying I should forget about Tina?
No, that's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that you have to calm down and let life handle the rest. Look, if you guys are meant to see each other once more, definitely you will see her someday. But for now, you need to relax. Let us focus on why we're here.
I need to find a way to contact Tina.
Oh, really? Okay. Good luck, guy.
There's something important I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
But first, how was the operation?
So I feel better.
If you feel dizzy or anything in any way, please let me know.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I had a talk earlier with Austin, and he told me that you have a relationship back in Nigeria. Is that so?
Yeah.
And the girl in question is indispensable to you.
Yeah, she is. I mean, if not for her, I wouldn't be alive till now. Yeah. She kept donating blood for me.
I understand. Believe me, I do. Oh, that's good. Where does she live?
She lived with me in my apartment back then in Nigeria.
Okay. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You will give me the location of your apartment back in Nigeria, then I'll send someone to go check up on her, if that's okay.
That's really okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What about Austin? Where is she?
I think he stepped out. He should be back anytime soon.
Okay. I'll just go inside.
Austin, have you cross-checked all the shipping logs?
Well, I did some.
You did some? Is that what you're going to tell Richard? You did some?
Fine. I will do it.
I need to go back.
Back to where?
I need to go back to Nigeria.
Lucas, what is wrong with you? Wait, is UK that bad?
Austin, you would not understand.
Then make me understand.
I need to go back. I need to see Tina, even if it's a glimpse of her.
Lucas, Richard had the apartment searched many times, no sign of her. And he has been trying to search for Tina. And it's already 2 years. Aren't you tired?
I need to find her. I just need to find her.
Guy, you need to wake up.
So you really want to go to Nigeria?
Yes.
If I may ask, what's the aim? Why?
I need to go in search of Tina. I need to find her.
Well, I thought I had someone check up on her in Nigeria, at the house you told me about, but she wasn't found there.
Well, I would like to go confirm for myself.
You really do love her, don't you?
Of course I do.
And you're willing to risk anything for her. Okay. I'll give you 3 months to go in search of her. After that, I'm bringing you back to the UK.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
So, what happens when you find her?
Well, fate decide.
Like, you don't know what to do from there.
Okay, that's enough.
Huh?
Let him find her first. I believe we can take it up from there. Okay?
It's difficult all the way, all the way. It's void of solutions, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way, all the way. No one deserves to be hurt, and no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation, with so much sacrifice. Yeah, it's a critical situation. Lots of sacrifice.
I had already stayed in Abuja for 2 months searching for her, for any clue at all. But then I remembered that she told me her hometown was in Anambra State. So I decided to go to Anambra State and search for her in hope of finding her sometime soon before my 3 months will elapse.
It's difficult all the way, all the way. It's void of solutions, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way, all the way. No one deserves to be hurt, and no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation, with so much sacrifice. Yeah, it's a critical situation. Lots of sacrifice. Yeah.
Hey, come on. Just your number. That's what I want. That's all.
How many times would I say no? What's this? Okay, fine. If I give you my number, will you leave me alone?
Yes, I promise. Hence, you'll accept to for us to have a date sometime soon.
Jesus Christ, Ebuka, what's this? Why are you stalking me?
Oh, you still remember my name?
Why won't I remember the name of the man that stalks me daily?
Okay, fine. But just let me have your number, please.
And if I refuse?
Well, you leave me with no option than to get it my own way.
This is harassment.
You already heard the young lady. She said you should leave her alone.
Bros, who you dey talk to? What be that? You dey crazy.
just leave me the hell alone?
Can you just leave her alone? Did you hear her? She said no.
Yeah, nigga. Come on, bros. Wait to be your own. Wait to consider for this matter. I said they took your matter everything. See, guy. Back well, oh, with your baby like evil forest. I go change your color. Wait to be that now. Wait to consider for here. At the top of my girl, you the big mouth.
Anyways, I'll have you arrested for harassment if you don't leave this young woman alone.
For your mind now, they fear police, Abi. You be police, Abi soldier. Who you be? Abi you be Tinu brother. And they fear you. Who you be? Wait to consider for this matter. This is a family matter. It no concern you. Call police. Come now. Nonsense. Babe, what to be own? See now, because of you now, this guy don't talk rubbish for you.
Can you just leave me alone? Leave me alone. Simple.
See, if you don't want to give me the number here, I go still collect them by that way. I know where, I know where I go see you. No, Alan, I'm chill. I go block you. Nobody saw that you come with no concern. Guy, Ben well. Better.
Thank you. Thank you so much for helping me get rid of the stalker. Thanks.
Seems you guys knew each other.
Of course, I only know him because he stalks me daily.
Anyways, you're safe now at least. You've gained your freedom.
That kind of freedom. Mirabelle.
Lucas.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure is all mine.
No, my parents beat me every time I played that song.
Really?
They said it was too advanced for my age. If only they knew what I had been doing, at my age.
No, you don't look like you have the bad girl vibe.
No, I don't. But I'm brutally honest with people.
Well, me too. I mean, what's there to lie? When you know that the truth will obviously come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I agree, but sometimes it's okay to lie in some situations,
Really? What situation?
So many situations. Tell me, have you ever stolen meat from your parents' pot?
Have I?
You see, you cannot even tell me the truth. Come on. I miss my parents.
Are you still here?
Yeah, of course. Yours?
No, I lost my parent.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
But how long has it been?
8 years.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty sad. Anyway, are you an only child?
No, I have a younger brother who lives abroad.
Nice.
And what about you?
Well, I have an elder sister, but I wish I was an only child.
Crazy.
I know. The black sheep of the house, of course.
Now it's beginning to get obvious. Lucas so much trouble.
No,
I'm sure
it's not that.
I'm sure you'll be giving the young lady
But
trouble.
I told you I was brutally honest. I just said so.
I know. It's obvious. I can see it.
Oh, you don't want me to be honest with you. Oh.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Baby, last night was really amazing. So,
Yeah.
what are we going to do today?
Let's see. What do you think we should do?
More marathon.
Are you for real?
No. I tell you, I don't know.
Naughty. Okay. I think I'd like to visit the salon. Let's do this. Why not come with me to the hair salon?
Okay, salon, no.
What's that?
No.
Really?
Unless you'd call me to the barber shop.
Ew! What would I do at the barber shop? Please.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to come with me, but you want me to come with you. Well, that settles it then.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, fine.
I'm not talking to you.
I'll come with you. It's okay.
You'll come, right?
Yeah, sure. When you're ready.
Hello? Lucas, where are you? Who is this? Who is this? Yes, this is Mirabelle. Can you just slow down? I really can't hear you. Hello? What did you say? What? What? Accident?
Nurse, good day. Please, I'm here to see a patient named Lucas Lawrence.
Okay, Lucas Lawrence is in the specialist ward. Soon he will be moved to the normal ward.
Okay, I need to see him like right now.
You will have to exercise a little patience now. Just wait small. Soon he will be moved to the normal ward.
I can see him just
a little.
Okay. Can you check if he's out? Madam, nurse, sorry. Why not just check?
Very soon you'll be moved to the normal.
You won't know since you're here. Just go in, check and...
Okay, have a seat. I'll go check for
you. Thank you. Yes.
Please, you needed urgently at the doctor's office.
Sure. Where?
Follow me.
Mr. Lucas, fine.
Oh, okay. Good day, Doc.
Good day.
My name is Mirabelle. The nurse said you sent for me. I'm here for the patient, Lucas Lawrence.
Are you related to the patient?
I'm his girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Take your seat.
Thank you. Good day, sir. Doctor, please. How is he? How is he doing? Is he alright?
There's no way to go around it. Yes, there is a big problem.
What problem?
Dr. Fred will explain better.
Miss Mirabel, see, while operating on Lucas, we discovered that he was anemic, which was miraculously resolved.
Okay, so he's better now, right?
The accident has open up the old wounds, I'm afraid it's worst.
Oh, well, doctor, you yourself just said he was miraculously healed, and now you're saying he's worse.
That's because the accident shut down his entire body. And doing so, he lost his both kidneys.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You need one. You need a kidney. Miss Mirabel, I'm afraid if nothing is done, I don't know how long he has to survive.
I can't lose him. Then do something, please. Do something.
The only thing we can do is kidney transplant. You need a kidney. Even if it's one.
Okay.
That's the only way you can support. The next thing is that where can we get it? How do we help ourselves? Because I can't do anything.
I'm ready to pay anything. It could. Just tell me where to sign. I'll make some deposit, get some more money, whatever you need. So you could just carry out the transplant, right?
Miss Mirabel.
Yes, sir.
You see, the problem now is not about the money, it's getting the kidney that will match to his. And by doing so, I don't know how long, because there's no time. So, Miss Mirabel, what I think we should do now is just you giving us a permission to carry out euthanasia.
No. What do you mean euthanasia? What are you talking about, doctor?
That's giving a peaceful death. I mean, a merciful one of that.
No, you can't possibly do that. Doctor, please, okay. I understand that he's in a very dire situation. Okay, let's perhaps put him on an express list. You could reach out to some private agencies, probably reach out to other hospitals, private hospitals, even the government, whatever you can do for
Miss
him,
Mirabel,
please.
I understand how you feel, I understand it now, but actually there's no time for all that.
If mine would match, then I could give him my kidney, right? I want to give him my kidney. I'll give him one of my kidneys. That's.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes. Yes, doctor. Yes.
Yes. Are you sure?
I have two. He can have one.
Okay, if that's the case, let's arrange for text and every other thing that we're supposed to carry out,
yes,
so that we can see if it can match to his.
Yes.
Dr. Fred, you're in charge.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay. Let me attend to others.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Mr. Lucas, congratulations. You're lucky to be alive today, if not for the young lady.
Why?
I guess she loves you. She said you were her boyfriend.
But she's not supposed to do that.
I guess love is blind. And yeah, she already did. You're not supposed to be complaining about why she did that. You should be concerned about how to take care of her moving forward.
Miss Mirabel, how are you doing?
Dad, I feel like I've been run over by a truck. How is Lucas? Is he fine?
He's fine. He's not responding.
When can I see him?
Oh, Dad. He can't even wait to set his eyes on you. I think you both hold something very strong together.
It's very nice.
I love him, doctor.
Okay. I'll leave you to take your rest, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
I'll be right back.
Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you.
What we have here, my dear
My pretty daughter. I miss you too, more.
It's super great to see you.
Oh, it's good to see you too. But you didn't tell me you're coming.
Well, it's a surprise.
I love that surprise so much. Hope I'll get it more.
I have news, and it's good.
Good news?
Good news.
Okay, let me guess.
Okay.
Like my daughter has finally found a job, right?
No.
So what could this good news be?
Well, curiosity they say kill the cat, but since you're not a cat, Mom, just take your seat. Yes. Sit there. While you're at it, close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Mom!
Okay, I will, but I hope
Mom,
this
please can
is
you
worth it.
stop? Just close your eyes.
Okay, I've closed my eyes.
Keep them closed.
Close.
No peekaboo.
Hello, Uncle. Yeah, I'm fine. Oh, she's fine. She's good. Yeah, I'm even going over to her place next week for our introduction. Oh, you're coming? Ah, that'll be awesome. I'll be expecting you. Okay then. Just let me know when you're coming. All right, thank you. Nice. I have made up my mind to marry Mirabelle, but as fate may have it, something happened.
So, Mr. Lucas, you're here to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage, right?
That's right, sir.
So how long have you known each other?
It's getting to a year.
I guess that's what you youngsters call dating, right?
Yes, sir.
Mirabelle,
Dad?
that's the man.
Yes, Dad.
Honey, anything to say?
Not really. But I would like to know if both of you love each other so much to want to spend the rest of your lives together. Because I wouldn't want a situation you'll have any problem in the future. So now, Lucas, do you love my daughter enough to make her your wife?
I love your daughter with my whole heart.
It's okay. So, you are representing Lucas?
Yes, sir, I am.
So you can vouch for him?
Definitely. He has gone through a lot just to be here.
Well, my yes is golden.
Thank you very much, sir.
Where's your sister?
She's upstairs.
Adanne!
Ada!
I want my daughter to get help us set the table.
Adanne,
please, you're waiting. Adanne!
Mommy!
Please, you're waiting.
Looking forever with her makeup.
What's the problem? She was still looking all the time. I'm the one getting.
What are you calling?
Yes, please. I want you to set the table.
Okay.
Please get a cola nut. There's the one I kept beside that drawer there. The one with 4 parts. Oji? So be quick about it.
Lucas.
That was where the problem began. After all that happened, Tina and her sister Mirabel started fighting. Both of them, whom I loved.
It's okay, Mr. Lucas. You've said so much. Mrs. Ine, you've heard the story they told. I want you to tell us from your own perspective what actually happened. Perhaps we might not be able to see everything here, but at least you can stand in as an eyewitness to all of this drama. Please, you have the floor. Talk to us.
There's this one saying that when 2 elephants are fighting, it is the grass that suffers it. Most of these things being said here, I've not heard before. I remember when Tina came back years back for the second time from Abuja. Adanne, what happened? I thought you said you had an urgent meeting to attend to, or business. You just sounded urgent. What is it, baby? It's okay, it's alright, okay? Come on, sit down. It's okay. Your mom is here now. It's okay. Oh. Mama is here, okay? Please. Just calm down. Whatever it is, you can sort it out, okay? It's okay. Come on, sit down. Sit down, my baby girl. It's okay. Right? I'm here for you, okay? It's okay.
I heard that Tina is back.
Yes, she came back crying.
Crying? Why?
I don't know.
Did you bother ask her what the problem is?
Yes, I asked as usual. But she was like, I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
What could be that fuss all about? Could she be thinking about my ill health?
I don't think so. I think it's a boy trouble. You know, girls from nowadays.
Well, I will talk with her in the morning.
Honey, if she refused to talk to me, your chance of getting anything from her
is this Slim?
I am her father. I will talk with her. She will tell me what the problem is. That I know.
If you ask me, I want you to rest. Don't worry yourself about these girls. Rest, please, before curiosity will kill you. You know, the girls, look how they do their things. We have lived our lives. We are still living it. Allow them to live theirs. Go. Please, don't bother yourself. Rest for me, oh? Allow them to live their lives, okay? We are living ours. Don't allow them to worry you. No?
Sister.
I need you like tomorrow.
It's void of solutions, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way. No one deserves to be hurt.
Daddy. Good morning, Daddy.
Oh, Tina, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Wow.
Mwah.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. And you?
I'm okay.
Okay.
So where are you going?
I want to go and see a friend.
Oh, a friend. Oh, fine. Can I talk with you for a moment?
Sure, why not, Daddy?
Please sit down.
Okay.
You came home crying. So your mom told me. Is that true?
Yes, Daddy.
What was the fuss all about?
Dad, it's a little bit complicated.
How?
Someone broke my heart.
Your mom was right after all. Boy troubles.
Daddy, you won't understand. It's more complicated. Daddy, I gave him everything. Everything.
Tina, I sent you and your sister to one of the best of schools in this country to get better education and not to give your life to some low lives.
Daddy, I understand.
No, we don't. If you do, why would I allow some guy to break you down?
Daddy, I loved him. I loved him with everything in me.
The boy is just, isn't he? Good riddance. You need to refocus right now and aim higher. Your mental health is also very important. Go see your friend. Perhaps when you come back, we'll talk more.
Yes, Daddy.
It's okay. You have to be careful when you drive. Do not make calls while driving.
Of course, Daddy. Thank you.
Okay.
Difficult all the way. No one deserves to
Women
be hurt.
with their feeble minds.
No one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation.
Okay. And now, slowly, up on them. Open, open, open. Ta-da! I'm getting
This is the happiest news ever. And this is beautiful.
Oh, Mom, you're forgetting something.
So who is the man that slipped us into this finger?
Well, Mom, there's something you forgot. You said it's beautiful?
Yes, it's
beautiful. These are the most precious diamonds you've ever seen in a while.
Good. But I want to know who did this. Who gave you this ring?
Okay, Mom.
Yes.
Yet again, please say.
Okay.
Yes. His name is Lucas Lawrence. Fancy name.
Lucas Lawrence, fancy name, yes. But what does he do for a living?
Well, imports, exports, you know.
Oh, this is good news. This is beautiful. But have you told your sister about this?
No, but definitely I will. I just thought to share the good news with you.
I'm basically the happiest mother in town.
Mom.
Yes.
What's this? It's my wedding, not yours.
Yes,
Have you forgotten?
but I am the mother of the bride. And I am going to be the mother of the most beautiful bride ever lived. So,
I think we have to stop sending you clothing because you're becoming too fly.
Ada, your sister is getting married. When are you coming back to celebrate with us? It's no longer a joke. Oh. Yes. She mentioned his name, but I can't remember the name, but it sounds fancy. Yes. When are you coming back? Stop making excuses, my friend. Just tell me, when are you coming back? It's alright. Tomorrow then. Hi. So he's getting married. He's getting married.
What? Why are you so excited about a man you've not met yet?
Honey, you know what? I'm excited because very soon, very, very soon, we'll be expecting our grandchild, you know, grandma.
But it's not a problem.
Honey, there's no problem. The young man in question will be visiting us by the end of this month. So then we will evaluate whether he's good enough for our daughter. But I think he'll be good for our daughter.
Calm down your nerves until then, honey.
I'm excited. The latest grandmother in the making.
Put your excitement on check. That's what I'm saying.
Tina. Tina. Hi. Tina, this is you.
Lucas, where have you been? I waited. I waited, searched everywhere for you.
I'm sorry. I came back. I searched for you too. I'm sorry.
It's fine. You're here now. You're here now.
What the hell is going on here?
Mommy, this is my long-lost fiancé.
Ha! What manner of rock? What other nonsense are you talking about? What's that?
It's my fiancé.
Have you suddenly developed amnesia? In case you do not understand, let me explain it to you. As you can see, what is happening here is we're in the process of getting married. Okay?
No,
That cannot happen. It has to be over my dead body.
Then I'd rather help you to hell, Tina. What is this?
Stop it! Stop it!
Stop! Stop!
Daddy! Sir! Daddy! Daddy! Sir!
Give him space! Give him space, sir! Give him space!
Tina!
Mom, there is nothing you said to me now that will make me stop loving Lucas. Nothing.
You're talking gibberish, Tina. You better stay away from Lucas.
Girl! What is this?
Mirabel, I have known Lucas way before you dreamt of meeting him. And why he's marrying you, of course, is a mistake because I've not been around. That's why. Nothing more.
Tina, please, it's okay. That's enough. That's enough.
No, Mom, let her talk. No, let her talk. Because when she's done talking, she'll still watch me happily getting married to Lucas.
Mirabel, you're talking nonsense. Do you know what I've done for Lucas? Can you do half of what I've done for him if the need arises?
Don't even go there. Don't. Because I've done more than enough. And I'm willing to lay down my life for him.
You both are shameless. You are shameless girls. I am trying my best, trying to strike a balance between taking care of your sick father and understanding what is going on between the both of you. And you guys are not helping me. What is going on? What is going on?
Mom,
Yes.
I love you. And I'm thankful for you trying to... Mom, if you want to settle this thing amicably, I suggest you inform her to leave Lucas alone for me. He is rightfully mine. Mine!
You're very stupid for saying that. What's wrong with you? No, it's obvious that you're just angry that I'm getting married before you. Apparently.
And no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation.
Tina, I don't like what is going on between you and your sister. I don't like it at all.
So, Mom, what do you want me to do now?
Okay? I want you to explain everything to me. Because right now, I am confused.
Mom, it's a very long story.
I'm all ears.
But in summary, I and Lucas have known ourselves way before university days. And I can't imagine Mirabel getting married to him. I can't.
But he has already proposed to her.
That was because I was not around. He did not see me.
See, Adanne, if you ask me, I'll plead that you allow Mirabel to get married to Lucas.
Over my living, what am I saying? Over my dead body. Will that even happen? Yes! It cannot happen, Mommy. Mommy, it's as if you don't know how close I am to Lucas. You don't know, right? She just met him like a year ago, and then she's forcing herself on him. Why? I won't let it happen. It cannot happen.
But if you ask...
Mommy, no, there's no buts. No, man, it will not happen. I've given Lucas my blood for him to stay alive. And then I won't allow one stupid girl to come and then marry Lucas. It's not going to work.
I don't like that you're fighting with your sister.
I don't like it. She's your younger sister. Mirabel is your younger sister. That's my point. Please. If fighting will solve this matter, I do not mind. We will fight it, blood, tin, and trigger. I do not care.
What?
Yes.
Did you even listen to yourself?
Mom, please.
Please! Lucas is mine. Stephanie!
It's difficult all the way. All the way. It's void of solution.
Your younger sister?
Like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way.
Mirabel, please tell me what is going on.
I don't know, Mom. I don't know why Tina has decided to frustrate me. What have I ever done to her?
It's okay. But do you know that she was in a relationship with Lucas before now?
No.
So Lucas didn't mention it all this while you are with him?
No, Mom. Nothing.
Well, I'm surprised about the little time you spent with him before deciding to get married. Yes.
In our defense, Mom, we're in love.
I understand. But you should have understood the man you wanted to get married to. Like, marriage is a lifetime stuff. Don't you understand?
Mom, it's a long story.
And I would like to hear it.
While I was away in the city, I was at the motel where I was staying, writing my blog. Apparently, Lucas had also come into town at that time. We met after a brief incident. We gradually became friends, started to get close to each other. Then it turned into intimacy. And Lucas had an accident.
And what happened during the accident?
I had gone to the hospital to see Lucas. The doctor told me that he wouldn't survive till morning because of his damaged kidneys. So I had to give him one of mine.
You did what?
Mom, I couldn't just let him die.
Ha!
Oh, God. Mirabel! So this is why you are willing to kill yourself for him?
Mom, can you calm down? I know he loves me. And that's why when he woke up, the first thing he did was to propose to me. He proposed to marry me and then take good care of me.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Mirabel, why? Why? Just look at what you have gotten everybody into right now. Just look at it. It would have been easy for us to resolve this if not that. Ha! My God. You know what? I don't think I want to stand the both of you right now.
Not that what exactly, Mom? If not that what exactly? So maybe I should have just let him die. Then perhaps we won't be in this condition in the first place. I'm the evil one here.
It's void of solutions. Like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult to do.
Lucas.
No.
Who are your parents?
My parents died in an accident.
Mom, this questions you just ask now, it's not the real problem. How to solve this matter is for you, Lucas, to choose between me and this thief here who you want.
What did you just call me?
I called you a thief, a full-blown thief. That is who you are.
You are the thief. You're the one who is trying to steal here.
Steal what?
Then you should what is even wrong with you?
Can you just stop it now?
You're the stupid one.
What? I said stop!
You're the stupid one here.
Did you hear what I said? I said stop!
Lucas, please look at me. I want you to answer me this question now. Among these two women sitting down here, who would you want to take as a wife?
Mom, what sort of question is that?
I asked him the question. Allow him to answer the question. I don't want to ask him.
The both of them.
Are you alright?
It's void of solution, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way, all the way. No one deserves to be hurt, no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation. With so much sacrifice, it's a critical situation. Lots of sacrifice. Yeah, it's difficult all the way, all the way. It's void of solution, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way.
I'll take you upstairs later.
All the way.
Where is she?
No one deserves to.
Where is Mirabel? Where is Tina?
I don't think anyone is home right now. But don't worry, rest first, okay? You need the rest.
I don't want them to be fighting.
They won't. Trust me.
I just want them to be in peace.
They will be in peace.
It's okay, I just want to rest.
Sorry, you'll be fine.
Ma, someone told me that they saw Mirabel sometime this week.
Yes, that's right. Well, right now, they are probably somewhere in town. They're not home. You can come back later, okay?
Okay, no problem. I'll check them later in the evening. So, let me take my leave.
Agnes.
Ma?
Can you do something for me?
What's that?
My daughters are currently having a problem.
Problem?
I have tried everything within my reach as the mother to do something about it, trying to resolve it, but nothing seems to be working. I don't even think that anyone in this household can help us. That's why I decided to talk to you, please. Can you talk to your cousins for me?
Sorry, if I may ask, Ma, what's the problem?
I don't know what the problem is actually, but I think they are fighting over a man.
A man? Like fighting over a man?
The reason I talk to you is because you are their closest cousin, right? I want you to please help me to talk to your cousins, okay?
I will try my best. But why would they be fighting over a man?
How am I supposed to know? Please talk to them.
Let me try my best. No problem. Try my best. So, let me start going.
That's okay. Take care of yourself.
Bye, Ma.
I'll say hi to your parents.
That's bad. That's really bad.
I know. And she has no right to claim him now.
Wait. I think he was here in search of her initially. That was when you both met.
So?
I don't really know what to say right now. I just feel both of you should just calm down and try to sort things out amicably.
What are you even saying? What are you saying? No, I don't understand. Listen, I am definitely getting married to Lucas. Come rain or shine.
Just try to calm down, Mirabel.
I'm calm. Very calm. Trust me, I'm not just going to sit here and let this slide. No, I won't. By right, Lucas is supposed to get married to me. And trust me, that's what will happen. Yes.
Okay, fine. Don't forget now when we talk about it.
Hello? Who is this? Lucas. No, you can't do this to me. Lucas, you cannot do this to me. Listen, I did everything. I looked for you. I waited.
I will not let you take my man from me.
If you know what is good for you, can I have my phone?
No.
Mirabel, can I have my phone?
I wasn't speaking Chinese. I said no.
Can I have my phone?
What is that? I will smash you.
Do what?
I will smash it. Yes, I will
smash it.
I will smash it.
Give my phone.
I will not give it.
Enough! What's going on here? What is it? Mommy. What? Tell that devil you call a daughter to hand my phone over to me now.
What is this? Tina, you know what? Please, I am begging you in God's name.
Now, why are you even begging her? Why are you begging her in God's name? What has God
Sit down! Sit down!
Please, go inside your room. You know your father is not that healthy. And the trouble with this fight is not making anything easy. It's worsening the situation for me.
Can I have my phone, please? It is my phone!
I will collect your phone for you. Just go inside your room. I'll get your phone for you. I'll get it myself, please.
Mommy, I want my phone now!
Mirabel.
Mom.
Let me have the phone.
Mom, no.
Let me have
Mom! What is this? What was this? Is this some sort of a gang up or what? What is this?
Let me have my phone!
Lucas, what do you suggest we do in a situation like this?
Ma, I've thought it long and hard enough, and I've come to realize that there's no way we can solve this problem without either of them getting hurt.
This is what you get when you don't understand the family of the girl you are dating. This is what you get.
I'm sorry, Ma.
I'm sorry, right? You are sorry. So can your sorry help now? Can your sorry change the situation on ground right now? My daughters have sacrificed a lot for you. They have tried to give you life in their respective ways. They have tried for you, and this is what they face.
I never knew they were sisters. Believe me, if I had known, I would have stopped this problem.
Lucas, I have a question for you. And I would like you to give me the sincere answer that you have. Who amongst my two daughters do you love most?
I love the both of them equally.
So you will marry both of them, right?
No, it hasn't amounted to that.
Wouldn't it allow you? Frankly, I am tired of watching my two daughters suffer because of you. The ball is now in your court, and you have to make a decision, and that should be so fast.
All the way, it's void of solutions, like a difficult puzzle. It's difficult all the way, all the way. No one deserves to be hurt, and no one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation.
Honey, why are you looking solo?
Nothing.
What do you mean, nothing? What is the problem? Tell me.
It's not your children. Your daughters are trying to make me run mad in this house.
You know, there are also your daughters. I think it's a matter of misunderstanding. It's just that simple.
It's more complicated than that, too.
What is more complicated?
Don't worry. Just don't bother yourself about it.
No, I don't like you looking like as if there is thunder in the sky. If it's about the girls, I think we need to talk to Sita about it.
Really?
Of course. Sita is a good counselor. If not because of my health, I would have handled this whole thing myself, but I don't want to go off limit, according to the doctor's advice. So, calm down your nerves. Where is my phone?
It's upstairs.
Get me my phone, let me call him straight ahead.
Oh, thank you so much, honey.
Just to make you happy.
I'm okay now. Thank you. Let me get your phone.
With so much sacrifice, yeah. It's a critical situation.
Okay. That's alright. It will be sorted out. Yes. Yes, come in. The door is open. Yes, like I told you. It will be sorted out. Oh, let me get back to you. Mr. Oster, you're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much.
Please
It's
sit
been a
down.
while.
Likewise here. You're welcome.
So how are you?
I am good, and you?
I'm okay, as you can see. I'm
And I
very
hope
well.
all yours are fine too.
Everybody's fine.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
What do I offer you?
I'm okay. I quite appreciate it. Thank you.
If you say so.
I came on behest of your husband. Is he in?
No, he went out. You don't mean.
He went out? In his condition?
My dear, I begged, I pleaded, but he insisted. But don't worry, he'll come back.
Your husband told me about the face-off between your two lovely daughters. And he sounded so urgent on the phone. And that's why I'm here.
It's urgent indeed. Both of them were engaged with one particular man at different periods of their lives. And now two of them are dragging this particular man. It seems simple as I'm saying it, but it's so complicated. So complicated.
This is very serious. Have you tried talking to them?
Severally, many times, but to no avail.
Are they both home right now?
No, they are not in, but they will soon be back.
Okay. Please, I don't know, with your permission, if talking to them could possibly be of help from me.
What are you talking about? Maybe the reason my husband invited you, please, if you can talk to these girls to help them come back to their senses, I also appreciate it. Okay?
All right, I'll try. I possibly have to be on my way right now. I'll see if I can come back.
That would be great. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
I'll say me hi to your family.
Oh, I will. I will.
All right.
I'll see you around.
Take care. You have a nice day. Bye. Hope this works. Adanne, I'm not here to argue whether Lucas is your man or not. You both have grown to adults. And your father did not spend so much money on your education just for you to be reliant on men. I'm here to plead with you. If there's any way you can ensure that you go along with your sister, please do it. Eh? You are my firstborn child, and it is your responsibility to make sure there's peace between you and your sibling. You know what? Biko, I want you to promise me that you're going to maintain peace. You know? And then
I'll try.
Not try. Promise Mama that you are going to maintain peace between you and Mirabel.
Okay, fine. I promise.
That's good. That's my daughter.
Mom, has Mirabel promised to?
Don't worry about that. I'll talk to her immediately after now. And I'm sure she'll come around. Okay?
Mom, for all the stress I've put you through, I'm very sorry.
That's all right. Give me a hand. You're my beloved daughter. Okay?
Thank you, Mommy.
I forgive you. All right?
No one wanna let go. It's a terrible situation. Oh, with so much sacrifice. Yeah, it's a critical situation. Lots of sacrifice. Yeah.
Hey, cousin.
Tina.
I'm sorry, I was packing my things upstairs.
Sorry. I don't get. You are packing your things?
Yes.
Do you really mean you are going back to Abuja?
Mm-hmm. I just want to leave this place. Like, I'm getting choked. I want to just go.
You just want to leave this place. What about Lucas?
Lucas. I have not forgotten about Lucas. But still, I do not want to disturb my parents either.
Well, that's fine. Although I'm not comfortable with this, your trip to Abuja. But it's fine.
Hey, cousin, calm down. It is for business, strictly.
For business?
Yes, business.
I hope so.
Whatever.
What about Mirabel? I haven't seen her since I came.
Okay. You're asking Angel Michael Gabriel Ewell. Who? What's my name? Like, am I supposed to be a guided angel?
I'm just curious, you know. After all, she's your sister.
She's your sister. I do not know where she is. I do not care. And I don't give 2F.
Anyways, that's fine. What is it for lunch? I'm very, very, very hungry.
Lunch? I think I have something for lunch.
What's that?
Come. Let me pack my things upstairs. That's you. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. Your phone.
Are you serious?
Yes. I'm not crazy. You are crazy.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna pack my things upstairs for lunch. Yes. You don't have a choice.
I have to love. Still, she wants more. She wants to take everything from me. Because of you. Your sister left Abuja just to give you space. Because she doesn't want trouble anymore. Wait, baby, like a little girl, stop this. Can you stop pretending to be naive, Mom? Me naive? That's what she wants you to think. That's what she wants you to believe, Mom. Come on. What's this? You need to stop all this nonsense in this house. You need to stop this fight in this house. Please, I'm tired of all this. So I am the one concocting the fights, right? Can't you see? See what? She has followed him to Abuja. She tracked Lucas to Abuja. No. I don't think you are telling me the truth now. She should not follow her. She left for your sake. For you to have peace and for her to have peace too. Mom! You can hear me, but you don't listen. Your daughter, your precious daughter, has gone to look for Lucas in Abuja. But you know what? That's fine. Yes, absolutely fine. Because I would rather we both die than for her to have Lucas.
How dare you? How dare you, Mirabel? How dare you talk to your mother in such a disgraceful manner? What we sent you to learn from school? Did we teach you how to be dependent on anyone other than yourself? It's you I'm talking to, Mirabel. You know, you just standing there in total disgrace, talking to your mother in such callousness, no shut me. Is this how you behave when you go to the labor market? Be independent, that is the key word.
Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, I'm sorry. Dad, please, I'm sorry. Dad, get the car, please. Get the car. Mom, please, hold it. Dad, hold on. Honey, please, hold on. Please, hold on for me. Oh my God, I'm finished. Honey, please, hold on for me. Please, please, hold on for me. Wait, are you ready? Please, hold on for me, baby, please. Please, I'm begging you. Hey, oh my God, Mirabel, where are you? Please, someone, please, Mirabel, where are you?
Hello, Tina. How are you?
Mommy, I'm fine. How is Daddy doing? Don't worry, fine.
Have you reached Abuja? So where exactly are you now?
I'm at my place. Why do you ask?
Don't worry. Don't worry, I'm sorry I asked. Just take care of yourself.
Take care, Mom. Take care of Daddy for us, okay?
Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling? I'll say I will wait for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you.
Mirabel, what's going on? Talk to me, what's going on? What's it? Calm down, please. calm down. Calm down. Mirabel, talk to me. What's wrong with you?
It was all my fault.
Don't say that.
It was my fault.
You don't say that.
I did too much. I crossed the line.
You were just angry, Mirabel. That wasn't you. Please stop crying. Stop crying, please. Your dad will be fine, please.
I don't want anything to happen to my father.
Nothing will happen to him, please. After all, he has gotten off from water condition like this before. So this won't be different. It's going to be alright.
I'm so sorry, Daddy. I'm sorry, Dad.
Okay, stop crying. Stop crying, please.
So, for how long have you been dating my sister?
Close to a year.
Close to a year. You want to marry a girl you met just a year ago, right?
Tina, she saved my life.
Amazing. So, how many times have I done that for you? Lucas, I waited. I waited for 4 years for you to come back. I was willing to wait for more years if you wanted.
Tina.
But I just knew that someday, sometime, you would do the turn.
Look, I never knew she was your sister. Okay, I wouldn't have done anything with her.
Who knows?
Tina, you know me so well.
I don't think so. I do not know you anymore with this kind of stunt you pulled. I don't know you again.
Look, Tina, I am sorry, okay? I wouldn't have tried anything if I knew, and for trying, I am sorry. Please.
Baby, oh baby, I'll be waiting for you. No matter how far you go or where you are, I will wait for you. Baby, can you hear my voice calling?
Honey? 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 Hey! Nurse! Nurse! Please! Doctor! Nurse! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Doctor!
Isn't it, please? You can't continue to grieve all day. I'm begging you to put yourself together. Perhaps you need to get something to eat. Just look at you, please. Stop crying, that's okay, please, okay?
He's gone. Just like that. Just like that.
Isn't it? Calm down. Calm down. Your tears will bring him back. Please.
I should calm down. You say I should calm down when I know that I'm next in line.
What do you mean?
My husband died trying to settle the dispute between his daughters. He was trying to settle the dispute between
Then
Mama is not the one next in line.
Ezine,
now.
no. I won't sit here and have you speak negative. No, please. Don't say that. Why would you say such a thing? Next in line to die? Why?
These children have killed your
Ezine,
father.
please, it's enough. Please. Ezine, please. That's okay. Now listen to me. Ezine, listen to me. I'm assuring you, I am going to do everything I can to make sure that I settle this dispute between them. Just trust me on this.
Now I'm a widow now.
Ezine, you heard me.
Ezine,
please. That's okay. Please stop crying. Put yourself together. You can't go on doing all this. That's okay, please. That's all right, okay? Ezine, you can't go on doing all this. You can't. Yes, fine, your husband is gone. Your tears won't bring him back. Just put yourself together, and the way forward is what we should be looking at now.
That was why we decided to come to you, our counselor, to help us remedy this situation if it's possible.
Thank you, Mrs. Ezine. I know your husband very well, and I believe he would have wanted us together to solve this case. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Counselor. We've all heard the stories that has been told here. It seems to correspond with one another. But of course, there is only one person that can help us complete this story before we finally render our assessment. Mirabelle, I want to ask you, do you have anything to add or to say?
None of this was my intention at first. All I ever wanted was a life of adventure. A life of free will to do whatever I wanted to do. I didn't want to be known as that little girl who just left school. So, I decided to work my way into the heart of society.
I say you're not going anywhere. You go nowhere.
Mom.
Don't mommy me. If you leave this house, who will do the dishes? Who? Me? I won't try.
Sweetheart, let's hire her out. Okay? Mirabelle.
Dad.
What kind of job do you want to pursue at the city?
First off, I run a blog. Yes, and it's fast growing. I need to go out there, meet some people who could teach me a thing or two about it.
Mirabelle, blogging is mobile business. You can still do that here. Can't you do it here?
Ask how. Ask this girl.
I can't, Dad. Like I said, I started this thing. I know what it entails. But I need to go out and, there's some people who are really good at this thing. I need to up my game, Dad. So I need to go out there and work on it. Besides, I'm still within the state. If you need me, you could just call me anytime. I'll rush home.
Is blogging a job? Is blogging a job?
For the obtained time, yes, Mom. It's a real job. Put some respect to it.
It's okay. As long as you are sure about what you just said, you always come to check on me, then I'm fine with it.
Thank you, Daddy.
It's okay. I just need you to always be in your best behavior.
Always, I promise.
Always have a positive attitudinal change, and I'll be fine.
I will, Dad.
If you like, I'll find a new job.
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry, Dad. Sorry. Sorry, Daddy. Should I get you water?
No. I'll take him to the room. I'll take you upstairs to give you your drugs, okay?
The drugs, yeah?
Sorry.
Okay. I will help myself.
Hey, come on. Just your number. That's what I want. That's all.
How many times would I say no? What's this? Okay, fine. If I give you my number, will you leave me alone?
Yes, I promise. Hence, you'll accept for us to have a date sometime soon.
Jesus Christ, Ebuka, what's this? Why are you stalking me?
Oh, you still remember my name?
Why won't I remember the name of the man that stalks me daily?
Okay, fine. But just let me have your number, please.
And if I refuse?
Well, you leave me with no option than to get it my own way.
This is harassment.
How?
You already heard the young lady. She said you should leave her alone.
Bros, who you dey talk to? What be that? You dey crazy. So,
Can you just leave me the hell alone?
Can you just leave her alone? Did you hear her? She said no.
you're a nigga. Come on, bros. What be your own? Wait to consider for this matter. I said that you come out with everything. See, guy, back well, with your baby like evil forest. I go change your color. What be that now? Wait to consider for here. At the top of my girl, you the big mouth.
Anyways, I'll have you arrested for harassment if you don't leave this young woman alone.
For your mind now, they fear police, abi. You be police, abi soldier. Who you be? Abi you be Tinu brother. And they fear you. Who you be? What you consider for this matter? This is a family matter. It no concern you. Call police, come now.
No. My parents beat me every time I played that song.
Really?
They said it was too advanced for my age. If only they knew what I had been doing, at my age.
Well, you don't look like you have the bad girl vibe.
No, I don't. But I'm brutally honest with people.
Well, me too. I mean, what's there to lie? When you know that the truth will obviously come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I agree, but sometimes it's okay to lie in some situations,
Really? What situation?
So many situations. Tell me, have you ever stolen meat from your parents' pot?
Have I?
You see, you cannot even tell me the truth. Come on. I miss my parents.
Are you still here?
Yeah, of course. Yours?
No, I lost my parent.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
But how long has it been?
8 years.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty sad. Anyway, are you an only child?
No, I have a younger brother who lives abroad.
Nice.
And what about you?
Well, I have an elder sister. Well, I wish I was an only child.
Crazy.
I know. The black sheep of the house, of course.
Now it's beginning to get obvious. There's so much trouble.
No, it's not that.
I'm sure you'll be giving the young lady
But
trouble.
I told you I was brutally honest. I just said so.
I know. It's obvious. I can see it.
Oh, you don't want me to be honest with you. Oh.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
Baby, last night was really amazing. So,
Yeah.
what are we going to do today?
Let's see. What do you think we should do?
More marathon.
Are you for real?
No. Tell me I don't know.
Naughty. Okay. I think I'd like to visit the salon. Let's do this. Why not come with me to the hair salon?
Okay, salon? No.
What's that?
No.
Really?
Unless you'd call me to the barber shop.
Ew! What would I do at the barber shop? Please.
Oh, okay. So you don't want to come with me, but you want me to come with you. Well, that settles it then.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Okay, fine.
I'm not talking to you.
I'll come with you. It's okay.
You'll come with me, right?
Yeah, sure.
Miss Mirabel, how are you doing?
Dad, I feel like I've been run over by a truck. How is Lucas? Is he fine?
He's fine. He's not responding.
How can I see him?
Oh, Dad. He can't even wait to set his eyes on you. I think you both hold something very strong together. That's very nice.
I love him, Doctor.
Okay. I'll leave you to take your rest, okay?
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Baby, you know you have to meet my family, right?
Whatever.
Are you sure about this?
Of course I am. Why?
I just feel everything feels rushed. Are you sure I didn't make a mistake back then?
Come on. I mean, you see it. Without you, I don't think I would believe him. I won't do everything possible for me to be with you and take care of you.
Are you sure? I mean, I don't want us to make a mistake.
I promise to take care of you. I promise you.
You promise?
I was so into him that I fell and fell really hard. Okay. And now, slowly, up on them. Open, open, open. Ta-da!
This is the happiest news ever. And this is beautiful.
Oh, Mom, you're forgetting something.
So who is the man that slipped us into this finger?
Well, Mom, there's something you forgot. You said it's beautiful?
Yes, it's
beautiful. These are the most precious diamonds you've ever seen in a while.
Good. Good. But I want to know who did this. Who gave you this ring?
Okay, Mom.
Yes.
Yet again, please sit.
Okay.
Yes. His name is Lucas Lawrence. Fancy name.
Lucas Lawrence, fancy name, yes. But what does he do for a living?
Well, imports, exports, you know.
Oh, this is good news. This is beautiful. But have you told your sister about this?
No, but definitely I will. I just thought to share the good news with you.
I am basically the happiest mother in town.
Mom.
Yes.
What's this? It's my wedding, not yours.
Yes,
Have you
but
forgotten?
I am the mother of the bride. And I am going to be the mother of the most beautiful bride ever lived. So,
I think we have to stop sending you clothing because you're becoming too fly.
Hi, big sis. How are you? Yeah, you heard right. I'm getting married soon. Please, just come back. Come back pretty soon. Yeah, it seems I'm developing cold feet already. I'll need you. Biko now. Come. What? Why would I tell you the name of my man? You're crazy, I swear. Okay, wait. Are you coming? Now you're talking. Yeah. No, wait. Please make sure to bring me some potatoes when you're coming. Oh, my favorite, of course. You already know that.
So, you still do not want me to know about this guy?
Cool your horses, sis. You will get to meet him eventually.
So, where did you guys meet?
There, sis. I see you're in the mood for gossip. Well, we met in the same state. And we sort of connected immediately.
So, am I to say that was love at first sight?
No, I wouldn't say it was love at first sight, but it was close.
It was close. It was close. Okay. Well, I still want to ask you one thing. I hope it's not wild.
Okay. He is wild in some certain areas.
Mirabelle!
Come on. You wanted to know the juicy gossip.
You are, oh my goodness.
And you wanted to know. Look at what you just did. You just spoiled my hard work. You should be in the kitchen. Now that you're home, you should help out in the kitchen, of course.
Who?
You, of course.
Huh. Jeez.
What are you doing?
Can I have my phone?
I need to see what you're doing. I'm sorry.
Can I have my phone?
What's that? What are you talking? Oh, you're so boring. Come on, look at your answers. I need to help you. Oh.
With what?
At this rate, you'll never find a man. Please. I was unaware of what was coming to me.
Tina. Hi. Tina, this is you.
Lucas, where have you been? I waited. I waited, searched everywhere for you.
I'm sorry. I came back. I searched for you too. I'm sorry.
It's fine. You're here now. You're here now.
At that moment, I felt my world crumble right before my very eyes. What the hell is going on here?
Mommy, this is my long-lost fiancé.
What manner of wrong? What utter nonsense are you talking about? What's that? I knew something was wrong. And at that point, I saw Tina as a threat to my new reality.
It's my fiancé.
Have you suddenly developed amnesia? In case you do not understand, let me explain it to you. As you can see, what is happening here is we're in the process of getting married. Okay?
No, that cannot happen. It has to be over my dead body. You cannot have my man. What? Did you hear me? You cannot have my man.
Tina, you do know my name. And excuse you, do you even have a man? No. What do you have what it takes? Are you smart enough to have a man?
Oh, you are smart enough.
Of course
smart
I am.
TV. You were used one. You are senseless.
And that's why you feel pain.
Stay
right?
clear, my man.
What
Mirabelle.
man? What man? If you feel you're possessed, then just talk to him next time. No, just even smile at him.
Just shut up,
You are
please.
sick.
Both of you are siblings.
Who?
Both of you are siblings.
Did you just speak? Can you hear yourself speak? Are you sick? Are you mad? Who is your sibling?
Agnes.
Who is your sibling?
Sit your ass
Be very
down
careful.
and do not talk on what does not concern you. Do you understand me?
Please, just calm down.
Shut up! Shut up! You. Stay clear from Lucas.
Get that thing off my face.
I am talking to you.
Get that thing off my face.
Stay clear, Lucas. I'm not
stay
joking
clear
with
of
you.
him.
I'm not joking with
Stay
you.
off him.
I'm not joking
and
with
if
you.
you think you're so powerful, repeat all the nonsense you've been saying.
Mirabel.
Yes, repeat.
Stay clear, Lucas. I'm not joking with you.
No, you stay clear.
I'm not joking with you.
You stay clear.
Get out.
You stay clear.
Be careful.
You be careful.
Be very careful.
You be careful.
What is going on? Get out. I will crush you. What is going on here? What is it? I will crush you. What is it? I will crush you. What is going on? Talk to me. What is happening here?
What is this? Leave me alone.
What's wrong with
No,
my
come
job? What is
and
wrong
fight
with
me.
this thing?
Come and fight me.
Where's a snatcher from the pit of hell? Stay clear, my man. Shut up, your mother. Tell me what's going on here.
You can't even get a man.
Do you have a man?
Oh,
Who are you? Bloody snatcher.
Oh, please.
Who are you? Bloody snatcher. Who are you? Be careful with me. I am not joking with you. I am talking to you and your mother. Mom, talk to her. Talk to her. Stop holding me. Get out.
You think you're the only one that can
Stay clear, my
shout?
man.
You think you're the only one that can shout?
Stay clear, my man. What has done to me? I'm not to you. Stay clear, my man.
Mom, you know what? You and Dad wasted money. Trust me. Because you just said that thing. That thief.
Lucas wasn't taking my calls anymore. I saw that I had so much to lose. And if this was a fight, I was losing. So I gathered courage and I declared war officially. I learned earlier from Agnes that Tina had gone to Abuja to avoid trouble. It didn't take long for me to figure it out. Lucas had been. So I had to show that I was angry. But the anger backfired badly when my dad got involved.
Come in. Come in.
Who's it? Listen, I don't want any trouble, so if you could please just leave me alone.
I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Now you're sorry?
Mirabel. All these things were just a little misunderstanding.
So now you know. Really?
Please, I'm begging you.
To do what exactly? Why you? I don't get it. To leave my kidney with an ex who is clearly moved on with another woman. Tell me, who would do that? What sort of person would do that?
I'm sorry for everything I did to hurt you.
Why are you begging me? Why are you beg? You don't need to beg me. Okay. I have a solution. Let's do this. Say you give him your kidney while I gladly take mine back and just happily be on the next flight to say the Bahamas or say Italy or, for a nice vacation. That would be really pleasant. Yes.
I'm pregnant.
What? What?
I'm pregnant for Lucas.
What? When did you know?
This morning.
Have you,
Nobody knows about it. Not even Lucas.
I'm sorry.
I know. I know. I know that I've not been the best sister to you. I'm sorry.
Tina,
Hey, listen. Listen to me. I do not want to have my child come into this world fatherless. And I do not want to lose you.
Tina,
just listen to me. So I will give you a kidney.
Tina, it has not gotten to this.
Just listen to me. Promise me. Just if I do not make it out, please, just promise me that you will take care of my child.
It hasn't gotten to this.
Just listen to me. Please. Promise me that you will take care of my child as your own. Just promise me. Please.
I promise.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Once again, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Greetings once again to everyone here. We have conveyed here once more to finalize a solution to the problem within the Jacobs family. If there's anyone who has got anything to say, please speak freely. You have the floor.
um, I'd like to say, I'm sorry, Mirabelle. I'm really sorry for breaking your heart. It was never my intention. And I want to let you know that any decision you take now, I would solely stand on it. And, Tina, I'm sorry. I never intended to cause you so much trauma. I never intended to hurt you as well. I'm sorry.
Anyone else, please? Okay, in absentia.
I have something to say.
Speak freely.
First off, I'd like to say I'm sorry, Mom. This past few weeks has not been easy for you. I know I have been obstinate, pig-headed, obnoxious, name it, stubborn. I'm truly sorry. And the death of Dad, please forgive me. My actions have cost us a lot.
It's okay. I was never angry at you. And I can never be angry at you. Okay?
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Secondly, I would like to apologize to my sister, Tina. I know this is coming as a shock to you, but the truth remains that you are my big sister. You've always looked out for me. You've always had my back. And I know I've made the past couple of weeks really hell for you. It's been a turmoil for you. And I'm sorry. And I'll always love you. And I just hope you forgive and forget everything that has happened. I'm sorry.
I forgive you. I forgive you from the depth of my heart.
I know. You've always been the good one, so. Lastly, I would like to revoke the condition I had placed earlier of Lucas returning my kidney. I'm genuinely asking you to keep it. For when the babies, my nephew and niece, are gonna come.
What nephews and niece?
Well,
Mommy, I'm pregnant.
Good.
Well, at this point in time, I just want to say a big thank you to you, Mirabel, for the good thing that you have just done. And I tell you, just keep it up, and you will see that it pays for one to be good.
Thank you.
All right, I appreciate it.
Mirabel,
Yeah.
it takes courage to do what you just did. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Who is it? You know what? Come in. It's open. Enter.
Hello.
Hi. Good day.
Good day. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Please sit.
Thank you. I actually came to drop an information for you.
Which is?
Okay, for starters, your recent bravery towards my nephew, Lucas, and your sister did not go unnoticed by me. I want to say thank you. I'm short of words.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Secondly, I heard you write blogs. Is that true?
That I do, yes. It's true.
Okay. Now, I had some discussions with a few firms in the UK, and they have vacancies for what you do, and you're willing to pay handsomely. Salary and allowances.
That's quite interesting.
Okay. Now there's a problem.
Which is?
I will be going back by the weekend to UK. So if you have a decision ready, please let me know.
Okay, I'll think it over and I'll let you know.
All right. Here. Here's my card. Please call me at any time, okay?
Sure, I will. Thank you.
You're welcome. And thank you once again.
It's okay.
I will take my leave now.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Baby of the house. Not to worry, I'll always hold you. I trust you. Take care of yourself and my triplets. And for you, make sure you take care of them, okay? So, shall we? Bye.